How many times have you heard this line recently? AI will replace engineers. At least that's what everyone wants you to believe. But here's the real question. Is AI taking tech jobs or just exposing who's not ready? Every week there's a new headline. AI builds apps, AI cracks interviews, and AI writes code. And suddenly one thought enters your head. If AI can do all these, where do I fit? This is what aspiring engineers are really feeling. Confused, anxious, questioning whether learning to code even makes sense anymore. As a result, some stop practicing, some keep postponing, and some think, what is the point? Now, let's slow this down. Is AI powerful? 100%. But here's the truth most students miss. AI replaces modern tasks, but not modern engineers. AI can write basic code, but understanding what to build, why to build it, and making product decisions, that still needs human engineering thought. So here's the real twist. AI doesn't replace engineers. Engineers who use AI replace those who don't. The industry isn't asking, can you code without AI? It is asking, can you build faster, smarter, and better using AI? So what should you actually focus on? AI is a tool, and you are the decision maker. Those who learn both technology plus AI leverage don't get replaced. They grow faster. So the myth isn't that AI will take your job. The real risk is being unprepared for how the job nature is changing. Learn the fundamentals, learn to work with AI, and you won't be replaced, you will be ahead.